Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Now let's tap on backup, and as you can see it is immediately connected with this Google account. So let's tap on add account. And make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. Of course, if you've got your Google account added, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it, like now. So here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And here we've got another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details and advanced settings, and to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and your device will finish the backup. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.